In the modern political landscape, it feels like every election season comes with an avalanche of information that leaves many voters scratching their heads. With every candidate's polished speeches, viral sound bites, and flashy advertisements, it's no wonder that the average citizen struggles to decide who to vote for. Deception, half-truths, and outright lies have become a commonplace that discerning fact from fiction can seem like an impossible task. But here's the thing, making an informed decision isn't just possible, it's essential. It requires a bit of effort, a pinch of skepticism, and a toolkit of resources designed to cut through the noise. This blog post will guide you through that process, helping you become a more informed voter who can confidently cast a ballot based on actual facts. Number 1. Start with reliable news sources. Seek out multiple perspectives. Don't rely on just one news outlet for your information. While it's easy to stick with what you know, broadening your horizon is crucial. Conservative leading outlets like Fox News and liberal ones like MSNBC may offer different takes on the same story. Reading or listening to both can give you a more balanced view. Fact-check everything. Sites like PolitiFact, factcheck.org, and Snopes are dedicated to verifying the accuracy of statements made by politicians and media outlets. Before taking a headline at face value, run it through one of these sites to ensure you're getting the full story. Understand biases. Every news outlet has some level of bias, whether it's political, cultural, or economic. Knowing this can help you read between the lines and understand the underlying narrative being pushed. Media Bias/Fact Check is a useful resource for identifying the leanings of various news sources. Number 2. Educate yourself on the issues. Focus on policies, not personalities. It's easy to get caught up in the charisma of a candidate or the drama surrounding their personal lives, but the focus should always be on their policies. What do they actually plan to do if elected? Talk is cheap, and past performances are usually a good indicator of future performance. How do their stances align with your values and needs? Use voter guides. Nonpartisan voter guides, like those offered by the League of Women Voters, break down candidates' positions on key issues in plain language. These guides often provide side-by-side comparisons, making it easier to see where each candidate stands. Research voting records. For incumbents, their voting records is a treasure trove of information. Websites like VoteSmart and GovTrack offer insights into how a politician has voted on key issues over their career. This can help you determine if their actions align with their rhetoric. Number 3, engage in healthy debate. Discuss with friends and family. Engaging in respectful discussions with others can help you see different perspectives and challenge your own assumptions. Just remember to keep the conversation civil. After all, the goal is to exchange ideas, not win arguments. Participate in town halls and debates. Many candidates host town hall meetings or participate in debates during the campaign season. These events are a great opportunity to ask questions directly and see how candidates handle unscripted situations. If you can't attend in person, many are streamed online or covered by news outlets. Follow social media with caution. Social media can be a double-edged sword. While it offers a platform for political discussion and news, it's also rife with misinformation. Follow reputable accounts and be wary of sensational claims that don't come from established sources. Number 4. Beware of misinformation. Recognize the red flags. Misinformation often comes in the form of sensational headlines, emotionally charged language, and unsupported claims. If a piece of information seems designed to provoke a strong emotional reaction, take a step back and verify its accuracy. Understand deepfakes and bots. Technology has made it easier than ever to create convincing fake videos and spread disinformation through automated accounts. Educate yourself on how to spot deepfakes and be skeptical of viral content that lacks credible sources. Use browser extensions. Tools like NewsGuard can help you assess the credibility of news websites as you browse. These extensions provide ratings and detailed reports on the trustworthiness of sites, helping you avoid unreliable sources. Number 5. Check the money trail. Follow the money. Campaign finance reports can reveal a lot about a candidate's priorities. Websites like opensecrets.org track donations to political campaigns, showing you who's funding a candidate and where their financial allegiances might lie. Understand lobbying influence. Lobbyists play a significant role in shaping policy, often behind the scenes. Researching a candidate's ties to lobbyists or special interest groups can provide insight into who might be influencing their decisions. Number 6. Use election tools. Voter information portals. Many states have online portals where you can check your voter registration status, find your polling place, and see a sample ballot. These tools help you prepare for Election Day, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. Election protection hotlines. If you encounter issues at the polls, organizations like the Election Protection Coalition offer hotlines where you can report problems and get help. Knowing your rights as a voter is crucial to ensure your voice is heard. Number 7. Trust your instincts, but verify. Stay skeptical. A healthy dose of skepticism is vital in today's political climate. Question everything, even if it aligns with your beliefs. Confirmation bias can lead you to accept false information because it supports your views. Fact check yourself. It's easy to get caught up in the moment, especially during heated political discussions. Make it a habit to fact check your own statements and assumptions. This not only strengthens your arguments, but also helps you stay grounded in reality. Number 8. Reflect on your values. Determine your priorities. What issues matter most to you? Whether it's healthcare, education, the environment, the border, or the economy, knowing your priorities will help you cut through the noise and focus on what's truly important when evaluating candidates. Don't be swayed by single issues. While certain issues may be particularly important to you, try to take a holistic view of each candidate. A well-rounded evaluation will prevent you from being blindsided by a candidate who aligns with you on one issue but diverges on many others. Conclusion. Making an informed decision as a voter is no small feat in today's world of political deception and misinformation. But by arming yourself with reliable sources, engaging in thoughtful discussion, and taking the time to research candidates and issues, you can navigate the political maze with confidence. I'll be one of the many poll workers working on Election Day, making sure your vote counts, regardless of who you're voting for. Stay safe, stay secure, stay informed, and remember, your vote is your voice. Make sure it's informed by facts, not fiction. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.